I'm Ishita from Langfinity. Langfinity is a real-time AI interpreter designed for technical multilingual meetings. It provides both voice-to-voice interpretation and live text translation during conversations, so participants can speak naturally in their own language while others listen and read in theirs real time. Unlike generic translation tools, Langfinity is built for terminology-heavy environments and enterprise settings where accuracy matters. Before I show you how this works live in Microsoft Teams, I briefly want to show you something that drives a lot of our accuracy advantage: the customization and glossary configuration. Here's an example of a place in the product where you can add terms that are specific to your company context, and we will ensure that they are translated at a much higher accuracy than if you were using a base translation model. For our business and enterprise customers, we can also do a lot of this fine tuning for you in a more white glove way, where you don't need to upload terms yourself, but instead you can share company context and we can handle that on the back end for you. Now let's switch into a Teams meeting to show you how Langfinity works live. So here's a test meeting that I've set, and I am going to join it. Once I've joined the meeting, I am going to add an app. In this case, I have already signed into Langfinity in the App Store and I've added it to my collection of apps. So I go directly to where I will select the languages that I'll need for this meeting. Langfinity supports over 50 languages, and we specialize in also supporting particular dialects. For example, we support over 10 different types of Spanish because we understand that Chilean Spanish versus Spanish spoken in Spain are really different and have different translation needs. Now that I have added Langfinity to our meeting, I will start to see the translation of what I am speaking in this right-hand panel. And because I'm speaking English, I have selected English and I'm able to see my voice transcribe into English. However, let's say that I was instead a Spanish speaker. Then if I clicked into Spanish, I would be seeing what I am saying in Spanish instead. Beyond this, we have a couple of other really interesting features. I can hit voice, and instead of hearing what my meeting participants are saying in their language, I will instead be able to hear it in my chosen language. We also have this nifty feature of an overlay where I'm able to get these like Netflix style subtitles on my screen and I can drag it around so I no longer have to look directly at my Teams instance to get the translation benefits. Langfinity is really easy to use in Teams. It only takes a minute or two to add to a meeting. And once one person adds Langfinity to a meeting, every person in that Teams meeting is able to benefit. If you're interested, feel free to use our 20-minute free trial that anyone can access simply by searching for Langfinity in the Apps tab in the Teams product.